Hello world, I'm Zenit and welcome back to my Legacy Hack the Box challenge. Last time we gained basically root access. The only thing left to do for us is to find the flags. Now let's just drop into a shell so we can actually move around the system. Let's cd into C. Let's dir. I hate CMD. I just hate. Can I PowerShell in here? No. PS? No. Okay, so apparently it doesn't have PowerShell. Alright, anyways, let's go to document and settings. Document and settings. Come on. Do I have a typo? What's happening? Come on. Let's cd into boom this. Okay, that seems to work there. Let's get the user flag. I suppose it's in John. Let's dir all directories. So let's start from the top, desktop, and we have the user in desktop. Okay, now how does cat work? Cat, come on, cat Windows. Type. All right, let's type desktop user.txt, and we got our first flag. That was pretty fast. Let's submit this flag and go in here. This was actually a pretty piece of cake, yeah. And now we just need to find the one of the admin. I think it's gonna be on the desktop of the administrator. So let's cd into the administrator. Dir desktop. Yeah, here we have root, so type desktop /root.txt, and boom, we have another flag. And this one was easy peasy lemon squeezy. Piece of cake. Fantastic. Alright, this was a fun machine because it's... I always forget that they're trying to give me a heart attack when you solve these challenges. Alright, okay, yay. I am so good. I pwned machines that are retired. Now, what was I trying to say? They are both in the desktop of the user and admin. Now, user is called John, like John Hammond. Was this your challenge, John? Let me know down in the comments if you ever stumble upon my videos. But this was a pretty easy one, so you just basically search for things like you always do, and then there's this vuln scan which gave us this one, this Samba vuln. So first of all, we found like how to hack into Windows, and the first result is basically using this exploit. And we were lucky enough that our vulnerability scanner actually gave this one back. So we were able to execute this one. I'm not sure if it would have worked with this one. It says that it's vulnerable and it has remote code execution. So basically the same as over here. So we would have had a second one to try in case our one didn't work. But we were lucky enough that it worked, and we were so lucky that this service was running as anti-authority system, which is basically the user on Windows which has the most privilege of them all. And so the hardest part is basically just to find the flags on this old structure that nobody knows anymore and navigating with the Windows command line. And I guess that's all for today. Thank you very much for joining in. This has been the Legacy Challenge from Hack the Box, a pretty fun one because let's be honest, most challenges are either web or Windows, and this one was a Windows challenge, which is a nice change, especially if you think about the OSCP and the ECPPT certifications, which I think there will also be some Windows machine there, so getting your hands dirty with Windows will help you. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed it. It was pretty fun. And see you in the next episodes or in the next challenge. Bye bye.